Hello everybody, welcome. So this video is going to be different. We're starting a new series of like cool items that I come across for my day job and my top list. Sometimes I come across cool items that some of you may have not heard about before. I definitely didn't know about some of these before I found out about them. So today's cool item is going to be a lighter. Yeah, I'm sure you've never seen one of these before, but there's a catch. This lighter is USB rechargeable. It works by just crossing two electric currents. It works really well for things like paper. Unless of course the manual is, not flammable. I think they thought about this, that people would try it on the manual. But yeah, I've tried this on other pieces of paper and it lights them really well. The video went and got a piece of paper just so I could prove my point. And there we go, flame. Flame. Okay, before I set the smoke detectors off. So yeah, anyways, it works pretty good. I got a lcfun, I think that's how it's pronounced, lighter. Comes with the lighter, manual, and then a USB charger cable. Now these are nice because you don't have to worry about running out of gas or recharging them. Well, I mean, you gotta charge them, but electricity's pretty cheap. So you just plug it into the back of it, and then you plug it into the USB, and it charges. It's a pretty cool item if you need to light some stuff that's easy to light, paper, cigarettes, fireworks, anything like that. For like survival, outdoor stuff, I tried to get a fire going with this thing. It's really hard. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I mean, you're better off with a regular lighter, and it's not waterproof. So, but yeah, it looks cool and it's unique. So with this series, I'm gonna come out with one product a week that's unique, weird, useful, cool, anything that I find interesting. If you want to see this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. Thank you to anybody who liked or subscribed. It really helps me out, and we'll see you next week on Friday.